So how do I use GetResponse and how you can use GetResponse? That's the topic we are going to cover today. Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Mitra and in this channel we discuss about marketing tips, tricks and strategies. So if you are new here, consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, if you are watching this on Facebook or LinkedIn, make sure you follow. So whenever we upload any new videos on any of this platform, you will get notified. So let's get started with this today's point. So that's it, how you can use GetResponse. So first of all, what is GetResponse? So basically this is actually the email marketing tools, or you can say the email marketing software, from where you can collect leads and you can also send automation email, also newsletter templates and everything. But right now it's not just email marketing tools. You can also build landing pages, you can also build funnels, you can also build website right now also with GetResponse. So we're not going to talk each and everything about here. We'll just straight cut to the point, what you can use as a marketer or as a business owner, what is perfect tool for use this GetResponse. So let's get started. As you can see my screen, so let me just log in with my account. So this is how GetResponse dashboard look like. You can use or add any widget on your dashboard, so you can visually see what everything doing. Right now this is all my landing page, all my new contacts, my most recent automation emails, all the list, all the sign up from where the signups are coming, all the autoresponders, and you can also add lots of widget from here. This actually helps you to understand in a short way with all this widget what everything is performing. But what I generally use GetResponse is for the main few reasons. First of all, lead color generation, collecting all the leads and the list into this, and using the automation and email marketing as a newsletter. Also, I have tried their landing page also, but I have not used their website builder because I don't use website builder. I use WordPress for that. But I have tried their landing page also and it performs well. So first of all, let me show you how their list actually look like. So from on the top, you can go to the list section. And this is where all the lists are here. So as you can see, I have currently this list is running 269 currently. This is for one of my coaching program, high ticket service lead, and this is the leads which I am collecting from the lead magnet. You can build form to collect leads also from there, but I did use WordPress for that and also connect with API. You can do that, or you can use their form field also. I'll show you how you can do that. So you can I am just collecting leads from through API on this, and later on I am sending them the automation emails. Let me show you the autorespond. You can come from this menu. So here's all my automations are coming whenever someone register for that free training on the first day. Exactly at the time when they register for that, they will receive this email. This is day 0, and there's all the sequence are coming: day 1, day 2, day 3. Just there's a simple gap between 6 and 8, and then also day 13. So this is all the automation you can build. So whenever someone register on your email marketing system, you can send them some automation emails. Also, you can use it as your email marketing. That means you can send them newsletter or anything. So this is all my newsletters. Whenever I upload any new videos, like whenever I will publish this video, I will send a email newsletter to all my contacts. So whenever someone click through this, they will land either on my YouTube channel or my Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, anywhere. So I can use this everywhere. So this is how you can use it. Also, they have option for lots of things that they have option for webinars, but I don't use a webinar for there. They have chats. I use it for one of my e-commerce website. This is perfect. This is good. But currently I am using Facebook chat for my website, that is rohanmitra.com. You can use their chat. This is completely new website builder. They have just launched their website builder. You can use their website builder. this is pretty good, but for the website builder my recommendation will be obviously WordPress. So I don't use the paid ads also. Forms and surveys, you can use it. I used it previously. It's good if you are non-technical, if you don't know about design. They have lots of forms, pre-made forms. You can just pick anyone and use it as a widget to your website, or you can use it any of your landing page and anywhere. Just simply go to the form and survey, and from where you can create your form. They have lots of pre-made forms. You can just pick anyone and then customize your text or images, anything. So there's, as you can see, lots of options that general newsletter sign up, free courses, lots of things you can pick. So if you are completely non-technical, if you don't have any knowledge about design and if all this coding, all the stuffs, you can easily use their forms, and later on you just click and sign up. I'll create another video where I'll show you step-by-step tutorial on each and everything. But right now, this is the conceptual video how you can use GetResponse. So I'm not going deep into this because that will increase the video length. So I don't want to do that. This is just a conceptual video. If you need a full tutorial or any of this, either list building or form or landing page or funnels on GetResponse, you can comment below. I'll create another video, and this will come with a series obviously in later. So this is the form section. You can build forms, you can use landing pages. I have created one landing page and this good, this performs well. Obviously one of my Facebook ebook, that is the art of Facebook retargeting, I currently using this with this landing page. So this is how the landing page look like. Let me show you. So this is how it is. I have created this from GetResponse and it's perform perfectly well. You can also check all the stats, how many visits right now. Currently I am not currently promoting it, it's just landed on my website. So whenever someone click on my website, they can go through with this. And this is also from a list, and then lots of automation also happened there. So you can use this as a way. As you can see, there's lots of visits, how many contacts on this landing page, how many subscription it has, all the percentage. You can check this and you can easily build that. I'll create obviously the different type of video with all the tutorial, because this is just a conceptual video. So on the another section, this is actually good if you are completely starting. You can use this. This is conversion funnel. You can use this as your complete funnel. That means a set of landing pages, set of payment section and everything. You can use it as a funnel, and they will give you the complete stat, how it is look like and how it's gonna work. So let me show you a simple one. You can create a funnel section. From the creative funnel, you have option like build a list, sell a product, promote a webinar. So whatever you have, if you are using any e-commerce store, you can use it as a funnel. You just have to list all the products here, and then you can set all the products and you can build a sales funnel. So this is actually the sales funnel. Let me show you how it is look like. So just create on there and use as a name like test sell funnel. Save and continue. So there's all the options. So you have to pick and select any product. If you don't have product, then you can either fetch it from your e-commerce stores like Shopify or WordPress, whatever you are using, or you can create or add any product just for GetResponse, and then you can just fetch with any automation tool like Zapier or anything. You can do that. So I was using actually this for one of my another part, which is animation video. So I have a product here, 2D anyway. So I can choose this. You can choose whatever payment option you want to. Is PayPal, PayU, Stripe, lots of things they have. So let's suppose I am choosing PayPal. I have already connected. If it's not connected, you can connect with your email address and also set up the PayPal or Stripe, anything. So later on, if it's set, you have to just click the save button. Then they will build a complete structure how this funnel will look like. So if you have, I think, better knowledge about funnels, so you know this is actually the process of refining your customer journey. So this is actually built with this exact concept. So the starting is collecting contacts, then connect with your contacts, turn your contact into customer, offer customer great deal, that means your upsell, or OTO, that means one time offer, and then thank you page, and they will calculate all how it total page view, new contacts, customers, and the success rate. So you can build landing page based on each and every step. So that means you can create a lead generation page from here where you can collect leads, and it will add all your email list into a particular list. You can do this. Later on you can use email system, then you can build a sales page, also some checkout page. There on you can use your upsell offer, like any one-time offer you want to prevent them, and then the thank you page. You can build the entire funnel. I'm not going to build this right now. If you need this, just comment below. I'll create another one. Obviously, as I have already told you, this is a conceptual how you can use this. So once you're done, you can just save exit, and that will be completed. So let me just actually delete this. I don't need this right now. So actually this is most of the features that I use, and I think this is perfect for you. Honestly, I don't use any webinars, I don't use paid ads, I don't use website builder from here. So I think you don't have for the paid ads. Obviously you can use Facebook Business Manager, Google ads, everything. That's better. Don't use it because you will not have that much customization here. So best option, use the specific section. For website builder, if you are using if you are in e-commerce niche, you can use Shopify also, but I generally use WordPress and WooCommerce for all other e-commerce base or any corporate or anything. I use WordPress. Webinars, if you are starting out, you can use Webinar Jam, Demio, or if you are professional, you have Zoom account, then pay to your Zoom and then use Zoom because that's perfect. You can use automation. They have some automation functionality also. I used it previously, lot of automation. So that means what you can do, you can also with the automation you can set some customer journey. Like suppose you have a list, and from your list someone actually purchase your paid product, you can use any tag and you can send it to any other automation emails also. So this all can happen within this automation section. You can play around with all the automation format. So someone connect with your leads with the API form or anything, you can send them to anywhere. If they open the form, if they click the page, then you can send them any different message, or if they not, then you can send them some different message. So all the automations you can done from here. So this is also another one. I used it previously to just change some tags, also change the list, lots of things you can do that. So this is actually the conceptual video. So I have already told you what are the things you can do and what I actually do from here. Mostly the list building, email automation, and email marketing, and right now I am just testing landing pages. So these are the things, and you can also test and try everything. This is it for this video, and let me know if you have any query, and let me know actually if you need a tutorial guide on each and every steps, like forms or landing page or any conversion funnel or any automation. I'll build one by one, obviously. So let me know in the comment below, and see you on the another video.